Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The name of the chapter is the light. So dear students, first of all we will know that what is the light. Light is a form of energy and we can see with the help of the light. And first of all, light falls on the object and we can see the object. So dear students, we can say that light is a form of energy, like chemical energy, mechanical energy, electric energy, solar energy. So we can say that light is a energy and it is help us to see the object. So dear students, we will study about the object. So what is object? And now actually we can categorize of the object in two type. Number one, luminous object, and number two, non-luminous object. So first of all we will know that what is luminous object and what is non-luminous object. Luminous object, actually those objects emit the light. These are called luminous object. Emit the light, like sun. Sun is the natural luminous object, and lamp, bulb, etc. And you can say that those objects produce the light, those objects emit the light. These are called luminous object. Okay, there are some natural objects like sun and firefly also. Firefly, okay, it is also natural object, natural luminous object, and non-luminous object, and everything which is not emit the light, which is not emit the light, like table, fan, wall, everything which is what produce the light, that is called non-luminous object. Like we can say table, chair, fan. So these are non-luminous object, and we can categorize also of the object in three types. First is transparent, and another is translucent, and last one opaque. So dear students, we will know that transparent, and you know very well that which object allowed to pass the light through them, which object allowed to pass light through them, that is called transparent object. That is called transparent object. Transparent, like clear glass, clear plastic, and clear water. These are example of transparent object. And now another, translucent. Translucent, actually it is not allowed to pass light clearly. It is partially part allowed of the light. Translucent object, like cloud and cloudy glass and cloudy polythene, these are translucent object. And dear students, you can see here cloudy glass, and now we will discuss about the opaque object. And opaque object does not allow to light the pass through them. It is not allowed. And like opaque object is the example of the wall, and you can see in the room also that in the room you can see wall, your notebooks, your books, and your anything which is not allowed to pass light. These are opaque object, like wood, like hard plastic, cardboard. These are example of the opaque object. Understood, students? So these are example of the transparent, translucent and opaque. So dear students, now actually you can understand with the topic is a light. So we will discuss about the mirror, and you have seen the mirror early morning, and you have seen your face, you have seen your face in the mirror. So I hope you know that how many types of the mirror, and mirror is an opaque object, and we can see our image in the mirror. So there are two types of the mirror. So mirror, like we can divide it into two parts. First is spherical mirror, and second is plane mirror. So dear students, in the plane mirror, that and you have seen early morning a mirror which was in your house, So plane mirror, and it is a plane, it is a totally plane, and we polish it to make the opaque, and then you can see your image. And actually in this mirror you can see your image according to your height. It means according to your size, and it will, like your height is 5 feet, so your image will become 5 feet. Okay, and I want to tell you that how many far from mirror. It means you are far 5 feet from the mirror, so your image will become 5 feet from mirror. 5 feet, it means which you far 6 feet, 7 feet and 8 feet. So it means we can say that it will be depend your distance from the mirror. And another point is lateral inversion. And like you see your image in the mirror, so your left part will see in the mirror right. It means your right part appears left, your left part appears right in the mirror. So it is called lateral inversion. Understood, students? Okay, and now we move to the spherical mirror. Spherical mirror we can divide it into two types. First is concave mirror, and second is convex mirror and convex mirror. And now we can identify concave mirror and convex mirror. Like actually we can polish on the surface of the outer surface. We can polish of the outer surface on the mirror. So these are called concave mirror. So the students, these are concave mirror. Okay, and if we polish inner surface of the mirror, so these are convex mirror. Concave mirror, and this is convex mirror. Okay, and now I want to tell you one another name also of this. This is a converging mirror. Because which rays falls on the mirror, it converge all the rays on the focus. So we can say it is converging mirror. And another is a convex mirror. It is diverging mirror, because it diverges all the rays which falls on the convex mirror. So it is diverging mirror. So now that you can see with the help of the diagram, these rays falls on the concave mirror, and this is a focus of the mirror. So these will converging on the focus, so we can say it is converging mirror. And this type of the mirror we use in the torch also, because you can see that all the rays is focused on the one point in the torch. So it is happened only with the help of the concave mirror. And another convex mirror, if you want to spread the light, if you want to spread the light like a street light, okay, so we can use a convex mirror to spread the light. So dear students, it is examples of the uses of these mirrors, and I want to tell you a concave mirror you can see in the with the doctors, because they check your teeth, your tongue in the form of larger, and you can see in the barber shop also concave mirror. And convex mirror you can see in the as a rear view mirror in the car, in the bike, and in the buses. You can see, because it is create a small image and it is create large image. So dear students, and I want to tell you about the image also. There are two type of image. One is the real image and another is virtual image. First is real image and second is virtual image. And real image, we can identify real image. Actually it is inverted. It is inverted and we can obtain it on the screen. We can obtain real image on the screen, and virtual image, it is erect. It is erect and not we cannot obtain on the screen of the virtual image. Okay students, and now I want to tell you some laws of mirror, but first of all we will discuss about the reflection of the light. Reflection of the light, students, and now you can see on the board, please. I am going to rough this. And first of all I want to tell you that reflection, the bouncing back of the light, from the surface, that is called reflection. And you can see that a diagram, that is a surface, and it is a opaque surface. It should be opaque surface. It should be opaque surface, and it is a perpendicular on the surface. As you can see, it is imaginary line. It is imaginary line. And now an array falls on the surface. Array falls on the surface, and it is called incident ray. Incident ray. And after reflection, it will move in other direction. Or it is called reflected ray. And it is called normal. And I want to tell you one more thing. It is incident angle I, and it is reflected angle R. So dear students, there are reflections, law of reflection I will tell you. The first law is the incident ray, reflected ray and normal are lying in the same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal are lying in the same plane. And second law is angle I is equal to angle R. Angle I is equal to angle R. So we can say angle of incident and angle of reflected are same, equal. It means we can say that it is 45 degree, so it will be 45 degree. So there are two laws, and I am repeating it. And incident ray, reflected ray and normal are lies in the same plane, and angle I and angle R, these are equal each others. So dear students, and now we will discuss tomorrow about the mirrors, and I hope you will study in your book also this chapter, then you can understand it. Thank you very much.